Pull. Look, nasira guys. Ay, di broke it guys.
No, sometimes it's the hardest. You like it snug or loose?
Aalis po ngayon kami ni Tami guys at magkilay lang tayo dito na konti kasi sinabihan ako guys yung kilay ko daw parang putol-putol daw. O, totoo naman talaga yung putol yung kilay ko at yun, lagyan lang natin ng konting kilay para maganda. Magluto na lang tayo ng century tuna with egg kasi wala tayong breakfast. So bago tayo alis ng bahay, kailangan natin makakain kasi iba pa naman ako kapag alis ng bahay and then magutom, magkulapsi-kulapsi ang aking feeling, charot. Kilala ko kasi itong asawa ko kapag lalabas kami at mag-grocery kahit saan ito magpunta at ang tagal-tagal niyang makaalis sa grocery at matagal kami makauwi ng bahay. So kaya dapat talaga kakain ang inyong inday para hindi gutman. Ang mga nagtataka kung kakain ako at si Tami hindi kakain at magluto ako ng sa akin lang. Ito kasing asawa ko guys, hindi talaga mapalagay pag walang leftover. So yung refrigerator namin kahit ano-ano po yung andyan. Merong burritos, merong kahit ano-ano guys. So kaya mga karni, kakainin niya guys kapag magutom yun siya maglanlan. So kung sabi siya maglanlan yun na siya. Guys, yung nakikita niya ako guys, na ready na guys. Alam niyo kung ano sinabi niya sa akin, you go with me but don't argue daw kuno sa pagpunta doon sa tindahan. Sabi ko nga naman hindi man jud ko makig-argue. So sabi niya wag ka nang magtanong basta wag mag-argue. So yun guys, pero ang tingnan ninyo guys kung anong nangyari sa tindahan guys, paldo-paldo na this, no? So pagkatapos nagpaligo lang muna kami sa sasakyan kasi yung sasakyan ni Tami na puno ng salt guys ba, ang dumi-dumi. So paligo muna tayo and then pagkatapos mag-drop kami ng mga kailangan isa uli sa Spectrum. Yeah, you see that? Spectrum and then KJ Walls daw. So punta tayo doon. Tara. Ito tayo guys, punta daw siya dito. So tignan natin kung anong mabibili natin. Wala silang customer. So tara, tignan natin. Aguroy. No. Let's go.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay. She's looking for a watch with a green face.
Great. Oh God.
We have a couple of men's watches like that.
For
We have
men.
these two,
Oh, that's for
but they're
men.
both automatic.
Yeah, and there's over there.
New age stuff.
Billy's.
Green means you'll come into money. So people want to wear green.
I don't see price for this one.
Which one?
This one right here.
That one would be.
Just curious.
That one would be.
The size.
And battery refurbishing for the new
What?
Christmas.
$200 for a 3-year warranty.
No, don't do one. Yeah, no.
Yeah, I'll pass on the warranty.
Yeah.
Right, so then it would be 600.
Is that okay with you? No, it's not okay. What's wrong with you?
That's okay. Yes, all the stuff that you had to do.
No, sometimes it's the hardest. You like it snug or loose?
You can lose a little bit.
Snug?
No, not snug. Loosen a little bit.
Okay. Alright, so. I'll go little by little. If you need anything, my name's Marie. Okay? I'll put them right there. Okay?
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Masaya na ako dyan kasi meron na tayong relo. Ang saya-saya. Daghan nagbulak. Oy. Daghan kay bulak diri guys. Nako, daghan kayo. Pero naanak ko ay relo. Di na ta kinahaglag bulak kay nanatay relo. At ito yung pinaka-purpose ni Tami kung bakit nag-grocery kami guys. Apple, mga pagkain sa hayop sa labas. At ako naman, kahit isa akong hayop sa bahay, gusto ko din yung arugula para naman hindi tayo maluluya at meron tayong vitamina. Charot, vitamina. Kasi guys, madaming benefits yung arugula. So kaya yun. At apple naman yung kinuha ni Tami. At sabi pa niya, wag mong kunin yung mga sira-sira kasi sabi ko, pagkain lang naman niya ng deer. So wala na tayong magawa. At dito, carrots para sa ating rabbit. Oh, this is for the mice guys.
Celery?
Ah?
Celery?
We do have celery. Do you wanna add one for just in case? We have one bark. Do you want me to get one? Ha? Si Tami gusto siyang bumili ng organic na para daw sa bunnies. Organic carrots para sa bunnies, kalukuhan. Na-excited ako dito kasi nakakita na naman si Tami ng wild caught na squid guys at paborito ko yan eh. Hello, they have it back.
It's a different brand.
Oh, it's different?
The wild caught.
Seafood salad na naman yung kinuha ni Mister. Hindi ba halata guys na mahilig yung asawa ko ng seafood salad? Alam nyo bakit masakit sa ulo guys kapag ganito yung asawa ko, walang kontrol? Ako kasi yung maglalagay sa freezer guys at wala siyang pakialam pagdating sa bahay. So ako naman yung magmamanage kung saan ko sila ilalagay ito at nahihirapan talaga ako dun sa freezer kasi suksok dasok na gid ang among mga pagkaon dito sa freezer. Hindi man panghambog guys no, mahirap ilagay ang mga pagkain. Nakanang wala ng lagayan ba at kailangan mo siyang i-freezer. Yan ang realidad sa buhay ko dito at hindi na yan magbabago guys.
You're not getting on. Seriously, honey. I'm looking at Five only, huh? Four.
No.
That's it. Because I said 5 and 6. I said 4 and you said I'm not.
That's why you changed the pork.
Magpakain na naman kami guys ng carrots at saka
How many apples?
apple. How many carrots? 4?
Yeah. How many apples is it?
So only, uy, I will cut it in pieces. Huy. Okay?
No.
3 or I'm gonna cut.
The cold, they'll go brown.
Huh?
I'll put 3 and just leave them whole.
Okay, and then ganito talaga yung buhay namin guys. Han, somebody is complaining, Han. Like, Allah, it's illegal to feed the deer and you guys are wasting your money. The Filipino people, some of the Filipino don't eat mansanas. Honey, oy, they're blaming us, man, love. What's wrong with them, love? Tama is shaking his head.
Illegal to feed a deer, really?
It's illegal daw, hon. Okay, I'll get this cellophane. So, it's not illegal, manggod. Oy, kamu ba? We're not, Tami is not asking money from you, manggod. Oy. Yay! Deer at saka, deer and bunny rabbits. Hala, I'm not gonna put the bunny thing for them but that they can reach. I'm just gonna throw it.
No, we throw it in the back. By the way.
Yeah. Pili-pili man na, guys. Ha? What? Tara guys, pakain ulit tayo. Gabi na. 5 something. 5 almost 6 o'clock na. 5:30. Let's see kung meron pang pagkain nila dito. Tingnan natin. Sana. Ay, wala na. They broke it. Yes. Apple. No more. Nothing but they broke it. Naguba guys, nasira ang lagayan. Okay. 4 na apple. Nasira guys, eh. They broke it guys. And then ito naman siya, mga carrots, itapon doon. Wala. May mga tae dito sa din. Sobrang lalim oh. Sobrang lalim guys oh. Pakainin dyan sila guys. Kawawa. Gutom kasi. Gutom. Yan. So. Tara. Sobrang ano. Malalim yung ano. Ang daming tae ng ano. Deer dito. Parang kambing. Hindi na guys. Yung hangin. Aray. kasi magpunta pa kami doon sa kabilang bahay, sa isang bahay kapatid ni Tami. Samahan nyo kami. Sa estarahan, let's go na. So we can come back. You know. Okay, we will be right back. You're a good girl. You wanna go with us? Do you want to go? Do you wanna go, my baby girl? It's okay. Do you want to go? You stay here na. You stay. Nag-shake. Natakot ka. You stay here, man. Don't shake. You don't shake. You stay here. may anxiety talaga ito siya, guys. Roxy have a hand. Roxy is shaking already when we're leaving. She doesn't like to be like separated. Look, she's shaking, guys. Love you, baby. Don't be shaky. So, ngayon, guys, andito kami sa tindahan na naman. Pauwi na sana kami. Kaso itong asawa ko talagang, iwan ko, nag-shopping kami kanina. Punta kami sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tami. Ngayon, pauwi na kami. Ano ng oras? 8:10 na ng gabi. Nag-grocery na naman sa Hannaford, guys. Ang daming snow dito. Nag-snow pa naman. Pero ang snow is very slight lang, no? So hindi siya masyadong marami. Pero sabi ko, ayaw ko na sumama. Gikapoy na ako. Sabi ko, napagod na ako dong sa shopping, grocery. Grabe, hantod. Baka mamayang gabi, alas 12, gigising ito at sabihin na, mag-grocery tayo, tara. Diba? Sabi ko, anong bilhin mo? Sabi niya sa akin, do you have ginger? Maghanap talaga yan siya ng paraan, guys, ng Sabi ko, meron tayo dong. Sabi niya, Han, bumili man tayo ng seafood. Pero alam nyo kung anong nakalimutan ko? Shrimp. Adoy. Naghanap talaga. I think yung utak niya, no, naghanap siya ng ano kayang bibilhin ko ngayon? Ano kaya hindi ko nabili na kailangan namin yan?